The future home of the I was going to say the Adventist Health, but it's not. This is the future home of the Family Healthcare Network. And as you can see how I was talking to you about the panels being loaded. Here they are on the site. What are these called again? I forget what they're called. But they have them. They're beginning to put it already. I took pictures, but I want to videotape it now live. That they do have the panels up. Sorry, I kind of confused it because I put it in an upright position. So you see there? That's what he was unloading the man from the diesel truck. Isn't that beautiful? I wasn't too. Actually, I was there, but there was a reason why I was not. I began going to the other healthcare. What is it called? See, he loaded it here, and they have their pipes, and I forget what these call the pallets, and what do you call that box here? But I would love for our children to learn this. I would love for them to learn how to, get a hard earning paid job. And see, when I was talking about that,